Question number 19 wants us to find the cosecant of pi over 3. Cosecant, we want to find 1 over y. So pi over 3 is right here, and the y-coordinate is square root of 3 over 2. So it's 1 over square root of 3 over 2. So again, whenever you have 1 over a fraction, it's really just the reciprocal, or 2 over square root of 3. Although now I have a radical on the denominator, so I need to rationalize this by multiplying square root of 3 over square root of 3, and that'll get me 2 square root of 3 over 3. Cosine, this is just the x value. Negative pi over 4 is not on the unit circle, so I need to find a coterminal angle. So I'm going to add 2 pi. So when it's negative, you want to add 2 pi or 360. When it's a super big angle, you want to subtract 360 or 2 pi. So on the calculator, it's negative pi over 4. On the calculator, I'm going to take negative 1/4 and add 2. I'm not going to type in the pi's on the calculator. So negative 1/4 plus 2, and change to a fraction, we get 7 over 4. So this would be 7 pi over 4. And our question is actually asking what is the cosine of 7 pi over 4. So if we find what is the cosine of 7 pi over 4, that's the same thing as what is the cosine of negative pi over 4, because they're coterminal. Again, this is looking for the x-coordinate. 7 pi over 4 is right here, and the x-coordinate is square root of 2 over 2. And that's our answer.